The Summer of the Beautiful White Horse, Class 11, Chapter 1, Snapshots. In this video, I'm going to discuss the underlying themes in the chapter first, then some long answer type questions. This lesson is explained in English, and this is part 2 of the question answer series. The links to my other videos can be found in the description box. Long answer type questions carry 5 marks and they need to be answered in about 120 words. They should clearly be divided into 3 paragraphs demarcating the introduction, the body of the answer, and the conclusion. In order to understand any story better, it is very necessary to understand its underlying theme, which means the purpose behind that story. One of the themes of this short story is the idea of redemption through actions. Redemption means the action of saving or being saved from sin or error or any other such wrongdoing. That is one of the underlying themes. There is no doubt that Aram and Morad did the wrong thing by taking the horse. Yet, John Biro dares not seek revenge or extreme retribution for their action. John Byron knows that the boys understand that they should be accountable for their deed. In fact, their taking of the horse results in its being better trained and also in greater conditioning. The redemptive powers of forgiveness, understanding, honor, and community are themes that are enhanced through this short story. The message of the story. The story conveys the message that despite social and economic challenges, some truths are absolute and should be practiced under all circumstances. Their poverty does not limit the emotional quotient of the boys. Their love for the horse is sincere and authentic, not motivated by greed. They have a genuine understanding of the need to return that which does not belong to them. Here it is the horse. They exhibit an exalted human reaction of wanting to correct that which is wrong. Question number 1 is from the textbook. This story does not have breathless adventure and exciting action. Then, what, in your opinion, makes it interesting? Answer. The Summer of the Beautiful White Horse is narrated by a 9-year-old boy, Aram. The first hand experience of the two boys is immensely interesting and refreshing. It is a beautiful reminder of what childhood simplicity and innocence is before adult craftiness gains importance in a person's life. The story describes how the world seems to be delightful, like a mysterious dream full of excellence and glory at a young age, yet it makes a realistic depiction of the impact that poverty has on the two children. That is something which hinders the fulfillment of their dreams. For the young but poor boys, a ride on the beautiful white horse is a dream come true. For Morad, taking John Byro's horse is an instinctive action, but it is called stealing from the point of view of the society. Riding the horse, hiding it, and looking after it are great feats of adventure for the two boys. Morat does not realize that he was doing anything wrong, nor did he want to keep the horse forever. Though they enjoy the thrill of riding, they are conscious of their family pride, that is, of the Garogelanian tribe, which is well known for its honesty and trust. The moral fiber of the community brings them back to the path of righteousness. Furthermore, the characterization of the crazy traits of Uncle Khusro and cousin Morad is superb. The story is descriptive. All these aspects make the story interesting for the reader. Question 2. Did the boys return the horse because they were conscience stricken or because they were afraid? Answer. The story gives no indication that the boys were afraid of anyone or anything. It does not seem likely that the return of the horse was directed by fear. They were conscience stricken even though they did not feel any repentance at their action of stealing a horse solely for the purpose of riding it. The narrator makes it clear when he asserts that stealing a horse for a ride was not actually stealing. In his opinion, it would become stealing only when they offered to sell the horse. Morad had the horse for over a month when farmer John Byro visited the narrator's house. He praised their family for its honesty and trusted the boys, as he knew their parents. The meeting with John Byro proved conclusive. Morad decided to return the horse. It was the Garogelanian pride that would not let them steal. Hence, in order to uphold the family tradition and reputation, the boys returned the horse to its rightful owner. Question 3. Describe Aram and Morad's encounter with John Byro in The Summer of the Beautiful White Horse. Answer. Morad stole John Byro's beautiful white horse and invited Aram to ride with him. Neither of them wanted to return such a prized animal, despite the famous Garogelanian tradition of honesty and integrity. One day, they ran into John Byro, who was on his way to town. They exchanged greetings, and John asks the name of their horse. Morad replies that the horse is called My Heart, which is an affectionate name. John points out that the horse looked identical to his stolen horse. He, a- he asks the boys if he could look into the horse's mouth and says that tooth for tooth, the horse could be the twin of his own horse. He knows that the horse is his, but he refuses to embarrass the boys. They could not have been the thieves because the famed honesty of the Garogelanian family is well known to him. He would rather trust his heart than the evidence of his eyes. The boys are conscience stricken and return the horse to John Byro's barn the very next day in a healthier and happier state. I hope that this short video lesson would have given you a much better clarity and understanding of this chapter, The Summer of the Beautiful White Horse. And if you learnt from this video lesson, do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. If you have doubts, you can ask me through the comments box. Look for links to other videos in the description box. And of course, keep watching my videos every day. You will definitely improve your content. And if you improve your score, do let me know and share your experiences with me. I would be looking forward to that.